Alright, hello everybody, it's Jeff Dick RuneScape Art of RuneScape Art Production. Today I want to show you something cool that I use for YouTube now. It's called VidIQ. It's free to sign up for, free to use. You get a little extension tool, and then it'll add like this here, it'll add this here, where you can view a bunch of stuff. I'll go into that here in a minute. Let's take a look at the main website. So you got ideation, AI generator, keyword, compensator, subscribers, all this stuff, AI coach. A lot of this stuff is available for free. There's some stuff you got to upgrade to the Pro or Boost, and subscription ain't that bad. So the coaching is $99. I would not do that one. Last one I used is I subscribe to the Pro, which gives me 10 daily video ideas, keywords research, track and learn competitor channels, learn the best time to post for your audience. If you want to upgrade to the $50 one, you get unlimited customization, say publishing to your videos with AI description generator. It adds a lot. And then this just adds an extra coach there to coach you through how to better improve your videos. And since I've started using this, as you guys can see, I've actually gone up in views, I've gone up in subscribers, watch time's gone up, retention is about the same. But as you advance, you will have your foundations, you have lesson plans that are free that will teach you how to just do better on YouTube, what keywords to use. I'll give you some video ideas. So let's see, this says talking about furry Therians and the drama. That's a very high topic apparently. My full thoughts on Baldur's Gate 3, that's high. Reacting to epic retro game trailers, that's a medium. So it will give you some ideas, like if you're like, I don't know what I want to upload, I don't know what I want to do. Well, here you go. It'll give you some ideas that you can research and decide if you want to do. I don't want to talk about furries, I don't want to get into that whole thing. Never played Baldur's Gate 3, and I do not know what epic retro game trailers are. So I would not use any of those. But if I upgrade to the boost, I can also refresh it or just wait till the next day. It's daily video ideas. Let's take a look at what it does for you on YouTube. So let's come over here to the competitors. So I got my buddy there. I need to have the basic to use that, or the pro. But I could come down here to trend alerts. It'll show me what videos are trending. If I come down here to channel audit, it'll tell me that, my month-to-month views are 1,532, views last month 610, so my views have gone up tremendously. I've gained 3 subscribers this month, so shout out to my 3 new subscribers. Hope you guys stay and have some fun. Minute watched, month-to-month, so 1,924 over 861. That's actually very useful information. It'll also take a look at all my videos that I do and show me which ones have the most views on, and which ones I gain subscribers on, and which ones I should double down on. So, the Tiberium Wars. Love that game. It's actually still really decent compared to the one I just uploaded. Please don't make me play that game again. I will have nightmares. And then, let's see, Command & Conquer, I got 66 views on, 207, 591. So these are the videos I should kind of double down on. Again, if I upgrade to the Pro Boost, I can see a lot more. And it'll tell me the total times, minutes, and watched, with that one being the most, and then the how to install and use the M88. Let's play Riddler 2 Skirmish, which I will be doing more videos of that tomorrow. I just wanted to get this Command & Conquer 4 out of the way because it is a god-awful game to play. Again, please, please, please do not ask me to play that campaign again. It was the worst campaign I ever played. It was god-awful. It was soulless. Let's see. Then I'll actually compare my videos to other videos that are of similar things. So, like, how to fix Command & Conquer General 0, DirectX 8.1 issue for Command & Conquer, Angry German Kid Gets Revenge. And those are comparing it again to videos that I don't own. Top retention. So this is very useful, especially if you're just starting off on YouTube. Again, VidIQ, it's free to sign up for. It does offer a lot of cool stuff. So it'll give you like search terms, a lot of, like I said, it gives you a lot of information. items I need to improve on, so I need to put more end screens in there and add more videos to my playlist. Posting schedule about 4 videos each week. That's what they recommend I do, so that I am going to try to do that. Hopefully I'm going to do a video every day except for Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to try to do those for live streams. Here's some things I need to work on too, like description link, tags links, playlists, all that stuff to help give me a better score. Now then, I can also, when I click on here, allow me to, every 20 days, it gives me credits, so I can do an AI generated thumbnail, which is actually pretty cool. It'll give me a score based on everything on here, so your title invokes intrigue and curiosity, is clear what your video is about and why the viewer should watch it. My title is apparently not easy to understand, your title isn't too long, keywords in the first 200 characters of your description, has a video chapter, has a custom thumbnail, don't have that, add it to a playlist, and have at least one end screen. Now then, I can also come here and it will, once I'm uploading, it'll allow me to AI generate a description. If I can't think of a great description, it will do that for me, and sometimes it is rather hilarious. So if I go to also to view on YouTube, you'll get this little side note here. It'll tell you your score, your overview, all this stuff. So engagement rate right now is bad. YouTube likes, Facebook likes, Reddit votes, VidIQ score. It gives you all this awesome information so that way you can better improve on your videos. So go check it out. It's free, it's awesome, and as always, have a nice day, live, love, and game on.